Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video I will be showing you guys how I sublimate on a 100% polyester shirt, and this is a design I made. I posted a video on that. You guys go check out the video, and it's either gonna be in the description box, or if I already posted it, it's gonna be up here. And I am gonna show you guys. Here's the other one. So I'm gonna show you guys how this design was when I printed it without choosing the right format. If you guys want to see a full detail on that, you guys check out that video. So when I did not choose the right settings, not format, and I printed it, and this was how it was looking. The quality wasn't looking good. So after changing the settings, I printed it out. It came out this way. So if you want to see how I did that settings, what exactly I chose, go check out that video. That is going to help you know how to set up before printing out, because that's very important. If you don't set it up the right way, you will end up with something like this, and of course you don't want this on a shirt. So you want that on a shirt. So but anyways, I am gonna go ahead and press this out, and we're gonna see. You guys know I'm struggling with printing on a shirt. I have tried DTF. It was a huge failure. And of course you guys know I always go for what they call it, I always go for Newfound, but I am trying to use something other than Newfound, because for Newfound it doesn't stretch, and if it does stretch, it's gonna break the design if you're doing the white. But for the black, it's better off, but the white it's gonna break. So I did not like that fact that, you know, my customers shirts cannot be stretched, and I actually got a review on that, and customer was not happy because of that. But the customer was happy with the tutu, but not the shirt. So sorry I did not show you guys what I was doing. So here, yes, I moved my heat press back up here. So but anyways, I am taking out the length. Okay, I know some of you already know how to sublimate, so let me act like you guys are brand new to sublimation. So one thing with pressing any shirt, it don't matter, polyester, cotton, you have to take out your lengths really good. So I'm going to take out the length real good, and when you think you are done taking out length, redo it again, because you don't want length in your design. Trust me, I've had that millions of times and it wasn't looking good. So I'm just going to give it a one more length rolling, and this should be good. And this polyester that I'm using today, I bought it from BLANKS, and I love BLANKS polyester. It just looks so much like what they call it, curtain. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press this for 2 to 5 seconds. And I forgot to tell you guys about the press instruction. It is 400 Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. You use your parchment paper. So I have some papers here from my Newfound black. They always come in a black. So I'm gonna put 2 of them underneath the shirt so the ink does not bleed into the shirt. So get 2 of them in slowly. I need to get me a real parchment paper, big one in. I am going to place a design. So again, this is a design, and I did mirror it, and I want to blow it to make sure there's no lint on it, because it's been sitting around. And I am going to give it a pinch to get the middle, and I am gonna put it here, and this looks good. And you can actually use your heat tape. I have some heat tape here. I should just go ahead and use it. I've not used it. I've not opened it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the heat tape so this thing can stay, so it does not move, because I don't want it to move. I don't want it to mess things up, because I don't want to waste no shirt. So this heat tape you can buy from Amazon actually. Oh, there we go. I'm like, where is it? You can buy the heat tape from Amazon. And I cannot remember the amounts, real talk. I buy a lot of things from Amazon that I can't keep track of amounts at all. Like a lot of things. My business stuff, I buy them all from Amazon. For the most part, Amazon, all the supplies. I need to buy a tape dispenser so things can be easier for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just place this down. The thing is shifting because of the stuff I have at the parchment paper I have at the inside the shirts. So I want to make sure it's straight before I press. Let me move this off, take it off. All right, there we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and place two on the two side, and after that I will and where in the world? Stick messing with me. I definitely need a tape dispenser. Alrighty, so this part is held in place. So they're all held in place. So now I'm gonna use my parchment paper. I think I need more than this so it don't stain my heat press. Let me look for more. Right, I found them. I was hoping I find something. So I found a lot actually. So I'm gonna place it on here, because I don't want the ink to bleed into my heat press and start staining anything I press. So I'm just gonna use my not parchment paper, Teflon sheet, and just to put it for even heat distribution. And I'm gonna go ahead and press this. This is for 60 seconds. I feel like it's a lot of time. So I'm gonna let this go for 60 seconds. You guys can see that 400. So it's going. Let this thing go. All right, it's ready. Sorry, I did not let you. It was just beeping. I could not help it but to just go ahead and open it before I started my camera, my video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of this. This is so hot. If you want to wear your heat glove, this would be a good time. Whew, it's flaming hot, and this is a hot peel. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it from the side. This is looking so good. Oh my gosh, this is looking so freaking good. Can you guys see that? The colors came out good. All right. Whew, flaming. You see that, y'all? All right, guys, so this is how it turned out. So beautiful. Can you guys tell? And you see how sublimation can bring out turn your stuff, like so bright, so crispy clear. Like this here is the bomb. And of course it's stretchable, and the ink is in the shirt, not on top of the shirt. It is so like, whew. I wish I can be using sublimation polyester for my stuff, but it's not everybody that love polyester. and of course it looks like it runs smaller than what it's supposed to be. So this is 3T, and you can see it looks small to me compared to the regular 3T. So look at the name, the way it is. My phone is, I'm using my phone and it's the front camera, so it's gonna read backwards, but I just wanted to show you guys this. This is so cute, and I love me some sublimation compared to no phone. Yeah, I will do it, but I just wish sublimation can be used on curtains. I have seen a lot of hack. I have tried a hack, auntie. It did not come out as bright as this. So I don't know. I'm still struggling. Y'all tell me what you guys are using, you know. Tell me what you guys are using, what you suggest I do, because I'm trying to change things up for my business. So yeah, I just wanted to come here and show you guys this, how it turned out. And again, just so you guys can see this, one thing with sublimation, when you print it out, it will not look clear, but when you press it, it will look like crispy clear and very colorful. So remember, when I printed this out, I did not use the right settings. You see how it turned out, not looking good. And after the settings, it's looking like this. So you may want to check out that video where I showed you guys how I designed this and how I printed this out as well. So you guys may want to go check out that video. I showed exactly how I printed it out, and how I designed everything from start to finish. I showed you guys exactly how I designed everything from start to finish, and I also show you guys the settings that you need to use in order to get a crispy result like this, rather than this. If you don't do that settings, you end up with this. So check out that video. If it's not up yet, it's gonna be coming up like right after this video is posted. The next video I'm gonna post is gonna be that. Is it that one is gonna be the first, or this one is gonna be the first? So just check out for that video. Check in my description box, I'll put it there for you guys, or you check here, I'm gonna put it up here. Just check out for that video. It's gonna really help you out so much. But anyways, if you guys love this design, you may want to check out that video as well. I know I've talked about that video because I decided now I'm gonna be showing you guys how I design, and I realized some you guys know how to design, how to make tutus. Some of you don't know how to design the shirts, so I just wanted to give you guys show you guys how I do mine so you guys can see it. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Bye bye.